So there it is. All the templates, the foam pieces that correspond with each one of them, and the number of pieces that have to be assembled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside into the fresh air and the heat and heat up each one of these pieces to form them. Some of them I'll have to either carve or burn grooves into. I don't know if I have a chance to put that on camera, but I mean, if so, of course, you'll see it. So here we go. So this is what it looks like with all the pieces attached. I'm going to smack some plasti dip on it and call it a night. First coat, not too shabby. Gotta let it dry, and then see how many more coats I can get in before it's time to take it in the house. Plasti dip is drying nicely, but I'm going to hit it with a little bit of gray and see what we come up with. It's a bad thing about working in the dark. You can't tell how hard you're hitting them. I think I'm gonna smack it up a little bit more and then just call it. So there you have it. So there you have it. This is the finished product. You can see the abs, and I actually added these chest pieces. I found some foam. I was wondering would I be able to get it to form properly, and it worked out. I decided to go with a little bit of gray metallic paint after putting a couple of coats of plasti dip on it, and I think it came out pretty well. It still needs straps and other things to connect the two parts together, the chest to the lower portion. But like I said, from the template to the finished product, I hope I showed you something useful and gave you some ideas for some things you could try on your own. The good thing about doing these templates and creating something on your own, it's up to you to decide what symbol, whose armor you want it to be. Go Batman, Nightwing, or the Red Hood. But anyway, once again, thanks for tuning in to Master of None. I'm going to continue my bat projects. We'll see how many we can get completed.